Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll be presenting the solution to question 8 of CSS GSA paper 2020. Since part A of the question is a theoretical one, so I'll start with solving part B of this question. In part B, we have been given different number of peoples having different blood groups. People having blood group A are 600, 650 is the number of people having blood group B, 550 having blood group AB, and 200 having blood group O. The total number of people come out to be 2000 when we add all of these numbers. So part 1 requires us to calculate the probability of people having blood group B, and in second part this we have required to calculate the probability of people having blood group O. So the formula of probability is the desired number of outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So in the present scenario, the desired number of people having blood group B are 650, and the total number of people in this sample are 2000, which is the sum of people of all of these blood groups. So 650 has come from there, which is the total number of people having blood group B, and 2000 is the total number of people in this sample. So 650 divided by 2000 gives us 32.5%, which means that if 100 people are selected from this sample of 2000 people, then there are 32.5 chances or 32.5 people will be having blood group B. Similarly, applying the same formula to calculate the probability of people having blood group O, we will put value 200 in the numerator. The denominator will remain the same as 2000. So 200 divided by 2000 is 10%, which is the probability of people having blood group O. So this was the required solution for part B of question 8. Moving forward to part C of this question. A group of 50 men construct 20-kilometer road in 40 days. How long will 70 men take to complete the same length of road? Now, the only thing which needs to be clear here is the relationship of workers or men with road and the relationship of men or workers with number of days. If we increase the number of workers, then the greater length of road will be completed. So men is directly proportional to road. But contrary, if we increase the number of men, then there will be less number of days required to complete the same length of road. This means that workers or men are inversely proportional to number of days. So we have been given the information in the question that 50 men construct 20 kilometers of road in 40 days. If we increase the number of men to 70 and the length of road required to be completed is the same, then how many days will be required to complete that much road? So we know that if we increase number of men, the amount of days required will be decreased. So the result will be less than 40. Let us calculate. We can arrange the given information in a form of proportion. On the left hand side, we have 50 divided by 70. This will be multiplied with the product of these two ratios, 20 over 20. Because the number of the length of road required to be calculated is the same, and it will be multiplied with the ratio of days, but we will take care that this is inversely proportional to the men to the required number of men. So this ratio will be written as 1 over 40 over question mark, not as 40 over question mark as it appears. This is because of the inverse relationship of days with men. So we know that denominator of denominator becomes the numerator. So we can rearrange this for 1 over 40 over question mark as question mark over 40. So multiplying both sides with 40, this 40 will be cancelled out with each other. This 20 can also be cancelled out as 20 ones are 20. So 40 into 50 is 2000. It carries the denominator 70, and this is equal to the product of 1 into question mark, which is the question mark itself. So 2000 divided by 70 is 28.57, which are the required number of days to construct 20 kilometers of road if the number of men are increased to 70 from 50. So this was the required solution. In the next video, after solving part D of this question, I'll move forward to solve questions of paper 2019 of CSS General Science and Ability. Thank you very much.